Now let's configure your general settings. This includes connecting your Google reviews, integrating with other Epic apps, and setting up notifications for customer feedback. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. From the Settings section, click the General tab. First, we'll connect your Google Reviews link. When a customer leaves a high rating, epicSnap can guide them to post that review on your Google page using this link. To get your review link, you'll need to log into your Google Business account. If you're not sure how to find your review link, click the help link provided and follow the guide there. You can also use the Google Business link to log into your account. Once you have your Google Reviews link, paste it into the Google Reviews link field. Then click Test Link to make sure the link is working correctly. Next is Other Epic Apps integration. If your store is using Epic's eLocal web app, turn this setting on to connect it with epicSnap. This allows epicSnap to use your eLocal fulfillment dates, like delivery, pickup, or shipping, as a basis for when review requests are sent. If you're not using eLocal, simply leave the toggle off. Finally, set up your notifications for new customer reviews. Turn the Notifications and Alerts toggle on to enable the notification settings. Here, enter the email addresses where you want to receive review alerts. If you need to add multiple email addresses, separate them with a comma. Next, choose which types of reviews you would like to receive notifications for. You can select all reviews, 1 to 3-star reviews, 5-star reviews, or bounce notifications for failed email deliveries. Once you finish configuring your notification preferences, click Save to apply your changes. As a quick tip, enabling notifications helps you stay updated on customer feedback so you can respond quickly when new reviews come in. If you ever get stuck, the Get Help button at the top right is always there to guide you. And if you'd like a walkthrough or have questions about your setup, feel free to reach out to support@epicshops.com. Our team will gladly assist you.